Candy. What are you eating? Candy is up in the sky. She likes her poof because I'm cleaning the house. So I had to move the poofs. And she jumped up to the lastest poof. Candy, say hi. Cutie. Candy has been sick for a while. She had some allergies. You can see her hair. We tried to cut some hair. Oh, she's much better. She had allergies all over her body. Candy, are you happy? You're feeling much better. Can you see cats? Yeah, I also can see cats. Hey, don't jump. Don't jump. I'm gonna help you. Go down. Come, baby. I'm gonna go down. Yeah. She's going to attack.